The woman was shocked to discover that her best friend had also traveled back in time with her into the novel they read last night, and they both ended up marrying into wealthy families and becoming sisters-in-law. However, in the novel, they were soon kicked out of the wealthy families to make way for the female lead, so the two of them planned to run away with the money. But when they checked their wallets and phones, they found that all the money had been sent to her scumbag ex-boyfriend, and the best friend's money had been sent to her stepmother. Now, they had no choice but to stay in the wealthy family and slowly save up money. But to their surprise, a regular lunch in the wealthy family was made up of lobster and high rich wraps. They left them both stunned. They couldn't help but exclaim that life in a wealthy family was simply a luxury. However, the father-in-law suddenly spoke up, saying that even though they had married into the family, they still had to contribute to the family. Whoever got pregnant first would receive a villa and 10 million in cash. The one who gave birth later would only get cash. This made them both anxious. One side she had a big enough backside to bear children, while the other side she had a large enough uterus to carry it. But the best friend added that if a woman's husband was never at home, it would be impossible to get pregnant. And the woman responded, as if her own husband was always home. Just then, the older brother and younger brother suddenly returned. It turned out that the father-in-law had asked them to come back to discuss the issue of having children. This made the two of them feel extremely awkward. The younger brother was about to take the best friend to the room to discuss, but the best friend said it would be more professional to consult an obstetrician. The older brother then asked the woman who actually she wanted to have children with. The woman replied that it definitely wasn't her scumbag ex-boyfriend. The two of them quickly ran back to their room and began to plot their next move. The best friend insisted that the woman must cut ties with the scumbag once and for all, and that she could never send him any more money. The woman was concerned that the best friend would face trouble from her stepmother if she went back home, so she reminded her to protect herself. The best friend confidently replied that with her talent for writing novels, it would be easy to mess with a few people. The woman then came up with a good plan to punish the scumbag, and decided to make him face the consequences that very night. So that evening, the scumbag was shouting the woman's name in the yard. The woman and the best friend ran over with weapons and gave him a good beating. This scene just happened to be seen by the two upstairs. The older brother didn't expect that the woman, who had only chatted about the scumbag, would actually be ruthless enough to beat him. This made him change his opinion of her. The next day, the scumbag asked the woman to meet so he could demand money from her. It was only when she sallallahu alaihi wasallam him limping and holding his buttocks that she realized she had actually hurt his backside the night before. This made the scumbag unable to sit properly and in agony. The woman suddenly decided to disgust the scumbag, and with tears in her eyes, she said that all her money had been spent on buying gifts for her mother-in-law, and that the gift still required a balance of $50,000. She hoped the scumbag could lend her this $50,000. The scumbag became enraged when he heard this. He scolded the woman, saying she was acting like a venomous woman, asking him for money, and told her to hand over the money immediately. The woman squeezed out two more tears, and said that she had already lent him so much money in the past. What was another $50,000? The scumbag, furious, stormed off and threatened that she should have the money ready tomorrow, or she would never see him again. He then turned and headed to the hospital to see a proctologist, just as the woman was sitting with anger at how the scumbag dared to speak to her like that. The older brother suddenly appeared at the scene.